Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. After months of speculation, production setbacks, and a flurry of rumors, Sony is finally gearing up to introduce its next-generation hybrid mirrorless camera, the Sony A7V. This camera is set to carry the legacy of the Alpha series, bringing new technological advancements and refined user-friendly features that have long been staples of Sony's camera line. Creators and professionals across the globe are eagerly anticipating the A7V, and it looks like it will be worth the wait. Sony A7V release date. The release of the Sony A7V is slated for mid-2025, with May or June being the most likely timeframe for its official launch. This camera's release has been delayed due to a variety of factors, including supply chain disruptions, careful strategic planning, and Sony's commitment to delivering a polished, top-tier product to its users. Following in the footsteps of the A7IV, which is still a popular choice for both professionals and enthusiasts, the A7V is expected to offer even more refined features and cutting-edge technology. Price expectations for the A7V. The Sony A7V is projected to retail for around $2,999 to $2,999. This price range places it within the competitive mid-tier market for full-frame cameras, making it a strong contender against competitors like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon Z63. The price increase from the A7IV is reflective of the significant advancements in image quality, autofocus, and overall performance, solidifying the A7V as an appealing option for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. Sensor and image quality. What to expect? A major point of discussion for the Sony A7V is its sensor configuration. There are two potential options circulating. The 33MP full-frame sensor. This would be a more conservative approach, sticking with the proven sensor from the A7IV, but paired with the new Beyond XR processor. This combination would boost image processing speed while retaining the A7IV's excellent dynamic range and low light performance, which holds up well at high ISOs up to 12,800. The 42MP BSI full-frame sensor. This is the more exciting and widely speculated option. If true, the A7V would feature the IMX366 sensor with stacked architecture, which would enhance overall resolution and low-light capabilities. The BSI, backside illuminated design, would also provide better performance in challenging lighting conditions, making it a go-to choice for photographers and videographers who demand high-resolution detail. Beyond the sensor, new processing. A standout feature of the Sony A7V will be its Beyond XR processor, rumored to be paired with an AI coprocessor, possibly similar to the one in the Sony A9 III. This processing power will be key in the camera's autofocus system, providing superior subject recognition. The A7V is expected to be capable of tracking fast-moving subjects, including human faces, animals, and even birds in flight, with remarkable precision. This is a game-changer for photographers and videographers working in dynamic environments, such as sports or wildlife photography. Furthermore, the A7V is anticipated to have improved in-body image stabilization, IBIS, which could reduce or even eliminate the need for external stabilizing equipment, like gimbals in many shooting situations. This makes it an ideal tool for creators who require smooth footage without the hassle of extra gear. Video capabilities. Next-level performance. Sony's reputation for high-quality video capabilities is likely to continue with the A7V. It's rumored to support 4K video at up to 120 FPS without any crop, which will be an enormous advantage for content creators who frequently use slow-motion footage in their projects. In addition, the A7V is expected to provide 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording, which will offer greater flexibility during post-production, especially for professional video creators looking to do detailed color grading. While there are talks of the A7V offering 8K video at 30 FPS, this feature may be limited, as overheating could become a concern. Sony seems to be focusing more on oversampled 4K for high-quality results, without the thermal issues seen in previous models. Design changes, improved ergonomics and user experience. The Sony A7V is expected to feature a more ergonomic design similar to the Sony A9 III, offering a deeper grip for better comfort. especially when using larger lenses. This improved design will make the A7V more comfortable to handle for extended shoots, making it a great option for both field use and studio work. It's also expected to be slightly lighter and more compact than the A7IV, which was sometimes criticized for its bulky feel. One of the biggest design upgrades will likely be the electronic viewfinder. The A7V is rumored to feature a 5.76 million dot OLED EVF, offering a much clearer and more immersive shooting experience compared to the 3.68 million dot EVF in the A7IV. Additionally, the A7V's LCD screen may be upgraded to a 4-axis articulating touchscreen, similar to the one found in the Sony A7RV, giving photographers and videographers more flexibility when composing shots or navigating menus. The delays. What's behind the wait? Originally set for an early 2025 release, the A7V has faced multiple delays. These have been attributed to a mix of factors, including supply chain issues, particularly in the semiconductor industry, as well as competition. Sony has reportedly been closely monitoring Canon's release of the EOS R6 Mark III and adjusting its own marketing and pricing strategies accordingly. Moreover, there have been internal prioritizations, as Sony is reportedly gearing up for the release of another full-frame E-mount camera in spring 2025, which may have pushed back the A7V's release even further. A7V, a milestone in Sony's mirrorless journey despite the delays. It's clear that the Sony A7V is poised to make a significant impact on the hybrid mirrorless camera market. With its advanced autofocus system, powerful image processor, 4K video capabilities, and ergonomic design, the A7V is shaping up to be a game-changing option for both photographers and videographers. Its expected price point of around $2,199 to $2,999 puts it in the premium category, but it remains a viable option for serious creators looking for professional-grade results without paying the high price tag of flagship models. As Sony continues to refine its Alpha series and faces increasing competition from companies like Canon and Nikon, the A7V could redefine what mid-range full-frame cameras can achieve. Whether you're an experienced filmmaker, an avid photographer, or an all-in-one content creator, the Sony A7V is definitely one to watch. The countdown to its release has begun, and it's shaping up to be worth the wait. Stay tuned for more updates as we dive deeper into the specs, features, and release news for the Sony A7V. Don't forget to subscribe to stay informed and make sure you're ready when this incredible camera hits the shelves. Techno Trend Zone out.